Okay, welcome back to my dyno test rig that I'm building up here. As you can see, I've 3D printed all the parts here that I think I'm going to need for now. As I told you, I've got bearings inside here that allow the motor to rotate. I've got a torque arm here. I'm just waiting on the strain gauge that's going to mount across here and get pushed on by that. And this is all mounted on a 4mm carbon fibre plate. Holds everything nice and rigid, and it's on linear bearings that allows it to slide backwards and forwards. So what I've got here is another pivot point that's going to push against another strain gauge that I'm going to mount just here with a right angled bracket. That should then easily allow me to measure the thrust that's coming off this end. Now this isn't straight yet. 8mm coupler, I'm not sure if that's going to handle the torque, but we'll give it a go. I'm still waiting on a couple of bearing blocks that I'm going to put up this end just to mount the prop and keep it stable off the end. And that will be the primary test to see the thrust of this motor and the power required to turn that prop. Then I want to take this part off. I'm going to move it along. That's going to allow me to fit the gearbox in here on the bracket, which is also got an 8mm output shaft, which is the same as this. And then I can look at the performance with this motor geared, which is going to let it rev more freely. It's a 960 kV motor, so that's going to run much nicer on the 48 volts that we're running on it. And we'll see what the performance is like with that. I'm expecting we should be able to push it to probably 20,000, sorry, the prop to 10,000 RPM. But yeah, if you've got any questions, if you'd like to know more about this design and what exactly is happening here, you'll know a bit more once I get the electrical parts that I'm still waiting on ordered them. They're on their way. So yeah, just thought I'd give you an update on this. If you like it, yeah, click on the like and subscribe and I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.